So this question is a translate word problem question, but it's also a diagram question, right? So the question itself obviously is a word problem, but all of our answer choices are graphs, which put them in the diagram category. So the question says, in a school debate club, each student earns 2 credits if they participate in a debate and lose. So I'm going to just start translating this. So 2 is for losing, plus 2, you get 2 points. And 4 credits if they participate in a debate and win. So you get 4 points, so plus 4 if you participate and win. A student receives an award after earning 100 credits. Okay, so award is when you have more than 100 credits, more than or equal to. I'll just say equals, right? So once you hit 100, you get an award. The credits needed for the award can be modeled by the equation. So now we're provided with an equation, 2x plus 4y equals 100. Okay, so that's really our award. So then I'm going to get rid of this. Where x is the number of times a student participated in a debate and lost. So x is associated with losing. And y is the number of times the student participated in a debate and won. So y is associated with winning. So again, I'm just translating this word problem so far. Which graph represents this situation? Well, which situation? Right? So which situation are we talking about? So all of our graphs are linear. We are provided with this linear equation here. So I'm assuming, even though they gave me this information here, that really the graph is based upon this linear equation. That's what I am going to have to assume to start off with. So if I have this equation 2x plus 4y equals 100, how do I convert that into y equals mx plus b? And I don't necessarily have to do that. So let me show you a couple ways. So I typically convert everything to y equals mx plus b, but I could just take this equation as is, knowing that it's linear, and say, well, let's look at our graphs. So choice A says that when x is 0, y should be 25. Is that the case? If x were 0, this would become 0. I'd have plus 4y equals 100. And yeah, I divide both sides by 4, and I get a y equals 25. So that's true. Choice A matches what the graph or what the equation tells me it should. And honestly, looking at all the other graphs, I don't get that anywhere else, right? So 50, B says when x is 50, y should be 0. That's not, right? That's not happening. Y should be 25. So B is out for that reason. C is out for that same reason. D is out for that exact same reason. So A has to be the correct answer. So, again, although I prefer to convert to y equals mx plus b, it will save you time just to plug in data from the graph, and that's where the diagram strategy comes into play and is very useful.